Hey guys, welcome back to another ADS workshop walkthrough. Follow me, check out what's in the shop this week. Sometimes we do bikes, we're not just cars in this shop, so this week we're working on a Ducati Panigale V4 SP, full paint protection film. Just over here are all the templates cut out that Brandon is installing on that bike. It's looking magnificent. We've got Josh and Sam working on this awesome Mustang Mark 1 over here, bit of a special edition Mustang. So the guys are wrapping the front of that in XPEL Ultimate Plus. Over in this corner, we've done a stealth conversion on our A45 AMG. This was gloss silver, it's now satin silver using XPEL Stealth. So it's had a full template installed on that one. And then the front of the shop, ready for collection, is the F12 Ferrari V12 naturally aspirated, one of our favorites. That's ready for our customer. If you guys would like to book your car in for 2022, feel free to get in touch, give us a call, send us a text or an email. We've got a little special giveaway between now and New Year's, our Christmas gift of the year. Make sure you drop us a line. Have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thanks for watching.